This 30 pack of gauze rolls is the perfect thing to keep on hand at your house, in your car, in your business. My family actually owns a gym and we have kids who are athletes. We have a daughter who rides horses. So there are quite a few little injuries that come up, and these are so great. They're the perfect size. They come with little scissors. I'm going to open up the box and show you. And we've already used some of these, but you get 30 rolls of gauze. They're rolled up nice and tiny so you can take them with you on the go. You're also going to get a little pair of scissors that's perfect for cutting them to whatever size you need. Here I've opened one up. They're the perfect kind of gauze that you need just for minor injuries. You get a ton of gauze in just one roll, and this is 30 rolls. So each one is 4 inches wide and 4 yards long. They are durable, they're elastic, so they're stretchy, and we just really recommend them. We've bought a lot of first aid stuff, and these are a 10 out of 10 for sure. We will not go without these at our gym and have some at home as well.